Hi everyone, this is Sung Park again. I'm going to just share my screen. All right, so this is my weekly update for AddPicto. Yay, it's Monday, May 2nd, 2022. So for this update, I just want to share with you my lovely fun process of submitting my add-on. So the gist of it is that my add-on AddPicto, it was live at the marketplace. But now when I try to resubmit it, it has taken it off the marketplace, which I think is kind of messed up. So here's what happened. So essentially the process is, again, my add-on was originally approved and published, but specifically for Google Slides. And so with this update, I'm hoping to add a capability to Google Docs and Google Sheets. So essentially, in order to do that, we have to resubmit. But in order to resubmit, these are the steps you have to do. Step one, you have to essentially resubmit to for auth consent screen. That just means that we have to resubmit a video and explanation as to what the new scopes are and why we would like to have access to them. And so again, the process is you have to record a video, upload it to YouTube, and then fill out the form. Make sure that the app name and is there, as well as the add scopes. You'll notice that they are highlighted. I'll explain why in a little bit. And then afterwards, you have to then submit for verification. And then you wait. And you wait. And hopefully the wait isn't too long, but it could be anywhere from a couple of days, couple of hours to a couple of weeks. So once you have that approved, then comes the second step. The second step is then you have to go to enable APIs and services. Under that, you have to then go to app configurations. And under app configurations, you have to add the scopes. And then after you've done that, you save. After you've done that, then you have to go to the store listings. And then you make some modifications like the app name and again, the scopes that you've added, you add the scopes, and then you publish. Now you have to do these in this order. Now you also notice that I've highlighted app name. That is because if they are different in the OAuth screen process versus the store listing process, then you will get rejected. You also notice that add scopes. There's 3 different locations you have to add scopes, and they are highlighted in green. Why? Well, you guessed it. Essentially, the scopes has to match in all 3 locations. If any one of those locations is different, then you will get rejected. So my question is, number 1, when you were already pre-approved, and then you're essentially submitting an update, and you have to add additional scopes, why does your current add-on gets unpublished? So I'll show you what I mean. So if I go to add-ons and do get add-ons and do a search for AddPicto, it is no longer visible. And that is because it is under the review process. Fun stuff, eh? So that sucks. And then the second thing is there's, again, 3 different locations for scopes and 2 different locations for app name. I don't understand why there's 3 different pages where you have to enter all of this information into when all of this is on the same site, just in different pages. So I don't understand why they can't just pull the information from it. So for example, if I have to do this OAuth consent screen anyways, and I have to add the scopes and the app name, right? It's in the form. Why can't this portion just pull the scopes from this page? And then in the store listings, why doesn't it just pull the app name from the first step and then the scopes from the first step? Therefore, there would be less human error. But anyways, that's my gripe for this week. And but there is one good news, I guess, and that is we got a cat. Yay, it's a foster. It is not officially ours yet. We will be submitting an application to adopt. We are currently fostering this cutie. My wife wants to name him Eggu, and I want to name him Booger. The reason why I want to name him Booger is because he currently has an upper respiratory infection. So when he sneezes out really big boogers. Let me know which name you prefer, if we should go with Eggu or Booger. And yeah, I will talk to you guys next week. Thank you.